this lady or this person is completely unaware that this lane has already merged. Ooh, someone getting pulled over. This is typical after-work traffic from the OC to LA County. Everyone's kind of crawling at a slow 20 miles per hour, which is actually not that bad compared to what it could be. So at this point, I do need to go over. Thankful for the guy behind me who leaves plenty of space. Thanks to that guy. I want to talk to you about how to drive a manual in LA traffic, but I'm going to talk more about strategy. So for instance, these two lanes right here, right? You have this right lane here, people coming on, merging on, right? And then you have this lane. So typically with people merging in and we're all going slowly, you want to leave a good distance for people to be able to merge in. Why? Why not just tailgate the truck or the car ahead of me like most people do here? If you do that, you waste your own gas because you're constantly accelerating, and then you waste your own brakes, you're constantly stopping. In a manual, it's worse because you're changing gears and all that stuff. And that's just talking about yourself, your own car. Other people, they won't be able to get in. So if you provide that buffer zone, it not only allows them time to get in, but it gives yourself reduced wear and tear. So I'm actually going to change gears here. Leaving the buffer space in between. It gives you time to react, especially when you're looking at what gear you want to be in. So right here, this guy is merging, and then behind me is a guy who's merging. So look, this lady or this person is completely unaware that this lane has already merged. Now we can get ahead a little. So like, I know some people, having driven in LA, SoCal for a long time, you get really hardened by LA traffic. And I personally am very tempted to get hardened by it too. And when I say hardened, I mean angry. It's really easy to get tilted. It's really easy to get angry when driving in LA traffic for very obvious reasons. The point of the buffer space is so that if someone needs to jump in real quick, you don't have to like drastically change what you're doing to accommodate them, which if that happened, if I had to like shift gears like crazy or slam the brakes or something, I feel like I would be angry. I'd be more angry about that. This is really good traffic. It's moving, and it's moving at a pretty good pace. Typically though, the traffic's more like around 10 miles per hour, sometimes slower, and it crawls for several miles like that. In those situations, I definitely would have rare occasion to be in third gear. If anything, I would be in second gear. And then when it really crawls, I try my best to stay in second gear, but a lot of the time it's not possible, so I just crawl in first gear because we're going like literally 4 miles, 3 miles per hour. So there's some cars here, so I'm gonna move over. You don't want to be a slow driver. You want to obviously keep at the pace of other drivers and not slow down and make things worse. But at the same time, you don't want to be tailgating the guy ahead of you, because whenever you have to hit your brakes as you're tailgating someone, it causes the person behind you to hit their brakes, and then that causes a chain effect which inadvertently slows down your entire lane. So it's best to keep distance, but keep at the same pace in this traffic. So, all right, thanks guys, bye.